Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to cover full site editing and using block styles to make your store look unique and amazing. As you can see, we got a fixed header with the blur and also some nice little underlining on the menu, a blob effect on a picture, nice animated button, some really cool styling for a shop page paired with dynamic shopping will make one amazing experience for the customer. So let's dive right in. The nice thing about full site editing is that you can do this for pages or posts. So you can either pick a page or a post. I will pick a page. And I already started a sample page. And we're going to start from the beginning because it's easier to understand how this all works. The first thing we're going to make is a sticky header, but we need to make sure that our its page template is set to blank. If you don't have a blank template, you can make one. That's for another video, but in this tutorial we're just going to cover how to make this page. First, we need to create a group block. You can either type /group and you'll see it there, or you can hit the plus and group. Go ahead and hit the solid one. And we're going to make it full width, and we're going to give it a background color. So go over here to block, styles, and we're going to go with black, but we're going to give it some opacity, and now we're going to make it sticky. So now this will stick to the top of our page. And let's go ahead and add a navigation block. Back, and this will take us back to the group block. We are going to add a mini cart because we have it as a store. And we're going to also add a site logo. I want to make that small. And you can change the site logo by just hitting replace. Check, look in your media, or upload a file. I already had it pre-uploaded. And now we're going to take this block and we are going to make it a row. And up here we can change where everything aligns. And now it's aligned in the center like we had at the beginning. We're just going to move things around. Make that a little smaller. Now we're going to give this text color white. And now you can see we have white text. And now we just need to make our shopping cart match what we had at the beginning. You got three choices: a box, bag, and a cart. It was a bag at the beginning, and you can display the price or not. But we're just going to make it all white. And we're going to hit update and save. Now to start styling the navigation. So as you see, the navigation already has the styling from when I did it before, but you do it by adding the styles here. There's all kinds of different ones. Depending on theme, they might not have any. Like you do overline, or there's a bracket one. I prefer underline. Let's go ahead and remove this. Now I want to give it the frosted effect that we had before, or blur effect. Update. And now the next section I had was a group block with a column block, 50/50, and image. I'm just going to do this fast. And as you see, it's just square. But again, you go up to the styles, has round, and that's kind of the default. It comes with all themes. Or blob. Now we're going to add a heading block. Cool beans. And we're just going to add a paragraph block. And then we're going to add the button. Now this one we're going to style a little bit to give it that effect that we had before. We're going to give it a border 1, color black, solid line, max out the border radius, and we're going to hit, as you can see there's tons of different styles, but we had raised shadow, use white text, blue background, oh, I'm sorry, we had black text because that's where it gets the color of the shadow. As you see, it's very easy to add really unique and interesting effects for your visitors, or in this case, shoppers. Now let's add another group block down here. Add the header. Let's see, all products. We're going to center it. Then we're going to add our all products block. We'll scroll down and get a better look. And with one click of a button, it's very stylish and something unique and modern with one click of a button. As you can see, with very little effort, you can give a nice little blur effect, underline and a navigation, a stylish shop page, and all you really need to do is figure out the spacing you like, and you'll have all kinds of unique looks and functionality that very few people can have so easily. Now I do have a free theme that will give you all the styles. You might not get them right away, but they will have most all these styles that you saw in this video for free, or you can get the premium theme, which adds dynamic shopping as you see here, or you could just go to the appearances, themes, add a new theme, and then click block themes. As you can see, there's 593 block themes, so plenty of themes to choose from and a whole variety of styles to add. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!